Congratulations, Bangladesh cricket team, for the first time series wins against Australia. It was a really very fantastic match between Australia and Bangladesh cricket team. As a Bangladeshi cricket fan, we have never seen before Bangladesh cricket team did it very well against Australia. Bangladeshi cricket team also handled mighty Australia as a strong team. Hope Bangladesh cricket team will improve day by day and they will achieve their goal in the next World Cup, and also hope Bangladesh cricket team will continue in this format and they did their best, and hope they will also do it best for their team and country.